we shall proceed and we shall cover some portion of the Sankhyaha that we hadn't covered earlier. We shall learn the Saptavimshatihi Nakshatrani. Okay. So far we had seen Panchadasha Tithayaha up till 15, number 15. The last part of it is Saptavimshatihi Nakshatrani. We shall learn this today.
Saptavimshatihi Nakshatrani Ashwini Bharani Kritika Rohini Mrigashirsham Ardra Punarvasu
Punarvasu Dirgha is there.
Pushyah Ashesha Magha Purva Phalguni Uttara Phalguni Hastah Chitra Swatihi Vishakha Anuradha Jyeshta Moolam Purvashadha Uttarashadha Shravanah Dhanistha Shatabhishak Purva Bhadra Uttara Bhadra Revati.
Uttamam, well recited. Uttamam, well recited. Dhanyavadaha. So Ashwini, Bharani, Ityadi. These are the 27 nakshatras, names of the 27 stars. Saptavimshatihi Nakshatrani. Nakshatram is a Napumsakalinga Shabda, and hence Nakshatrani is Bahuvachana of that. Okay. So Ashwini to Revati, these 27 nakshatras will have to memorize in the same order. Okay. Please memorize, start memorizing these in the same order, because in the exam they will also ask, write 10 nakshatras starting from Swatihi, write 10 nakshatras starting from Ardra or anything. So they can ask anywhere, from anywhere, to write the next 10 nakshatras. So we'll have to remember all these 27 nakshatras. Okay. So please practice this, so that will be useful, and and also this will be, these are some of our traditional elements, right? So as part of our tradition, in earlier days at least, the grandparents used to teach the kids during the evening times all these names of the different tithis, names of the nakshatras, names of the samvatsaras. So 60 samvatsaras are there, Shashti samvatsaraha. So earlier in the previous syllabus of Prathama, we had to also learn the names of the 60 samvatsaras. Okay, but in the new syllabus, that is not part of it. So, but these are some of the things which, if we learn, it is good, because these are traditional aspects of our culture, and very important things that we should know, and we should also pass on to the next generations. So please try to practice this, and the easy technique is to just keep on reading and record in your own voice. First thing, record and keep listening to your own voice, so that way you'll be able to grasp it and also recollect and memorize it faster. Okay, so all these portions of memorization have been uploaded already onto the course page. So I think if you remember, if you go to the exam corner, there is an audio file also associated with it, so you'll be able to practice that. Okay, now let us quickly see all the numbers which we have seen earlier also. I'm just showing this again so that you can revise. So ekam to dasha, vimshatihi, trimshat, chatvarimshat, etc. And then how these numbers are there with respect to dvichatvarimshat, trichatvarimshat, chatushchatvarimshat, panchachatvarimshat, etc. What is the prefix for each of these? Eka, dvi, tri, chatur, pancha, shat, sapta, ashta, nava. Okay, in this way, remember these numbers also, practice these numbers, so that will be helpful. Now moving forward, we will try to do the exercises here. Okay, so we will do one by one. So
Vachanani kani?
Ekvachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam.
Right, that's it. That is the answer. Though this is not part of the exact, this is not there in the text that we have seen, but vachanam is something which we have learned already. Vachanani trini, tani. Okay, so kati is not being asked. How many they have not asked. So trini vachanani, you can put a hyphen and write the answer. Ekavachanam, dvivachanam, and bahuvachanam.
Yes,
Okay?
yes. Panchabhutani kani?
Panchabhutani. जलं वायुः आकाशः भूमिः अग्निः.
Very good. So the 5 bhutas or the gross elements, 5 gross elements is what we have seen that. Okay. Next question.
Okay.
षड् ऋतवः के?
Yeah, this is not part of basically part of this text actually. This was part of the previous syllabus actually. Somehow some of the questions have been added, or these are all some of the general knowledge questions, so which can be asked also. We can think in that way. Yes, sure. Anyone here would like to answer?
वसंत ऋतुः, ग्रीष्म ऋतुः, वर्षा ऋतुः, शरत् ऋतुः, हेमंत ऋतुः, शिशिर ऋतुः.
Very good. So these are the 6 rutus which are there, corresponding to the 12 months actually. So Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshta, etc. There are 12 months. Dwadasha Masaha. Again, that is not part of what we have learned so far. Dwadasha Rashiha only we have learned. So each rutu will be for 2 months basically. For 2 months, it is classified as a rutu. Okay. So Shad Ritavaha Santi, and these are the Shad Ritus. Next, we shall go to the next question.
अष्टदिक्पालकाः के?
अष्टदिक्पालकाः इन्द्रः, अग्निः, यमः, निरृतिः, वरुणः, वायुः, कुबेरः, ईशानः.
Very good, very good. So that is present in the textbook itself in the previous pages. The Ashta Dikpalakaha, the outer circle, whatever is there. So those are the Dikpalakas. You can start from Purva, basically from the east, which is Indraha, Agnihi, Vayu, Yamaha, Niruratihi, Varunaha, Vayuhu, Kuberaha, Ishanaha. So in the same order, in the cyclic order, we can tell that. Okay. Dhanyavadaha, well participated and well answered.
धन्यवादः.
You can ask the next set of questions.
Navagrahaha ke?
We don't have Navagrahaha, but can you answer? Because this is again a general knowledge question. You can think, think that way.
Some Rahu, Ketu, Surya,
Yes.
Chandra,
Yes,
and
that's
then
right.
Guru, Shukran, Shani.
That's right. So these
Then,
are
what did
Navagrahas.
I miss?
Yes. So
I missed
basically,
some.
Surya, if you remember one shloka, Suryaya, Chandraya, Mangalaya, Budhaya, cha, Guru Shukra, Shanibhyascha, Rahave.
Yeah, Rahu,
Okay.
Ketu. Yeah.
Yeah, whenever we go to any temple, we go to the Navagraha deity,
Yes.
and then we
Yes.
do the Pradakshinam. So this is a shloka usually chanted. So you can remember and you can answer it. Okay. But anyway, I shall give the post answers for these questions anyway in the course page. So, but yeah, Navagraha. Okay, next. You can ask the question. Dasha Avataraha ke?
Dasha Avataraha ke?
Ramaha, Krishnaha.
Starting from, let it be in the order. Okay, let it be in the order. So I shall flash that screen. Dasha Avataraha, Matsya Kurma Varaha Narasimha. So let it be in the order. So whenever you answer.
Okay. Matsyaha, Kurmaha, Varahaha, Narasimhaha, Vamanaha, Parashuramaha, Sriramaha, Shri Krishnaha,
Buddhaha,
Kalkihi.
Yes, that's right. Okay, next Dashavataraha is over. Next one. Shadrasaha ke?
Shadrasaha ke?
Madhuraha, Pittaha, Katuhu, Amlaha, Kashayaha, Lavanam.
Right. So those are the Shadrasaha. Very good. Hatavyaha doshaha ke?
Nindra, Tandra, Bhayam, Krodhaha, Alasyam, Dirghas.
Sutrata.
How do you say the Dirgha Sutrata?
Sutrata. Yes, that's right.
Dirgha Sutrata.
Right. Rashayaha ke? Dwadasha Rashayaha. So that is known. Amesha, Vrishabha, etc. The 12 Rashis. I think you will be able to write that. And Chitta Nakshatra Darabhya Dasha Nakshatranam Namani Likhata. This is exactly what we have learned in today's class. So from Chitta Nakshatra, so identify where.
Chitra, Swatihi, Vishakaha, Anuradha, Jyeshtaha, Moolam, Purvashada, Uttarashada, Shravanam, Dhanishta.
Shravanaha, Dhanishta, and
Dhanishta.
Shatabhashit. So the 10 nakshatras we will have to identify.
Yeah.
Okay. So practice. That's why the memorization of nakshatra names is important. So please do practice it. And the next main is Vijatiyam Padam Likhata, right? The odd man out. Okay. So I think this is easier with respect to like there is one set of words. For example, Meshaha, Mithunam, and Simhaha all belong to Rashis, but Ashwini is a nakshatra. So you will be able to identify this. And similarly, Navami, Ekadashi, Indraha, Purnima. Again, the three are the tithis, and is the odd man out. Then Kashyapaha, Gautamaha, Niraratihi, Vasishthaha. One is
Nirratihi.
Rishis, and one more is Nirarati, which is a
Nirratihi.
direction. Next, Bhakshyam, Bhojyam, Lekhyam, Saumyaha.
Saumyaha.
You can know Saumyaha because Bhakshyam, Bhojyam, Lekhyam, Choshyam. These are the 4 different varieties of eatables. But Saumyaha is basically Buddha, basically, which is a Navagraha, one of the Navagrahas. And then Akasham, Pavakaha, Bhutalam, Moolam.
Moolam.
Yes, that is Moolam because Akasham, Pavakaha, Bhutalam are part of Pancha Bhutani. Bhutalam is same as nothing but Bhumihi. Okay, so Moolam is a nakshatram. Moolam is name of one of the nakshatram. So identify it clearly so that there will be no mistake or because let us not lose any marks. Though we know it, but because of silly mistakes, let us not lose marks. Okay, Pavakaha is fire. Agnihi, Pavakaha, both are same. Okay, so that is with respect to the exercise for this Sankhyaha. So Sarvebhyaha Ram 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 Namo Namaha. So please practice the Sandhi and do the Sandhi exercises.